Hey Curlfriends, welcome to another episode of FNHROCKS, and I'm your girl, Lavinia Latham. Today, by popular demand, we're going to go through a tutorial on how to achieve a twist out on your fine natural hair. So as you can see, I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. To start today, I'm going to need a couple of different items in my toolbox. So first and foremost, I've got my vinyl gloves. Second, our leave-in conditioner. We're also going to need the Oyen Handmade hairdo. We're going to also need the Curls Dynasty Twisted Definition Twisting Cream. Let's just jump on into this. I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner, making sure to get the product all the way in. So you want to make sure you squirt a good amount into your hands so that you're able to really warm the product up and apply it to your hair. Now I am going in with the Oyen Handmade hairdo. Again, you want to use a liberal amount of product to make sure that it's going to really penetrate your hair and give your hair the proper hydration that it will need while it will be inside of those twists. You want to split your hair up as well and just make sure to apply that product. Now I'm going in with the Curls Dynasty Twisted Cream. And this is really going to give the hold, it's going to give the shine and the definition of my twists. So as you can see, I've parted my hair and I'm going and clipping that away so that I can begin working on that first section. So initially I thought I was going to do bigger twists. I'm kind of going in, applying the twisting cream to the twists, very carefully making sure to get that product all the way down to the bottom of my strands before I move on to the next part. Again, you want to repeat the exact same thing on the top, splitting your hair into the chunk that you're going to be working on, pinning away the part that you're not working on, and really just focusing on that section of hair. So if you guys like this so far, you're enjoying this tutorial, please feel free and give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed, it'd really help my channel out if you'd subscribe and become a curl friend as well. We have a lot of fun here on this channel. I post regular tutorials and regular videos each and every Monday and Friday right here on YouTube. So again, just, going back to twisting that product back on up and making sure that my ends are nicely saturated with the product. If your product is kind of seeping out of your strands or looks like, the twist looks white, don't worry about that because the twist is literally going to, it's going to dry clear. So you don't really have to worry too much about that. So now I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the back, again on the third quadrant of my hair, and lastly on the fourth quadrant of my hair. So this is the final result. For some reason, I feel like this side came out a little bit more shinier and well-defined than this side. I'm not quite sure why that happened. Maybe it has to do with my twisting style. I mean, I don't know. As a style, this is definitely a fail. I don't like it. I don't think I'm going outside like this anytime too soon. But focusing on the positives, I do think my hair looks quite healthy right now. So I definitely think I'm gonna go ahead and style these in a simple ponytail towards the back, because I'm literally going to be stretching these so I can get the most amount of length from them for tomorrow. So this is how my twists look about 3 days after the fact. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start to unravel them right here on camera. So I'm gonna start at the bottom and I'm just going to untwist them in the very opposite direction. So because my hair is fine, some of them have actually started to twist up on themselves, which is a-okay. So at this point, I'm probably gonna go ahead and turn on the music and you guys can continue to watch the process from there. Hey curl friends, so this is the final look. Got tons of bounce. The back, I'm not quite sure what that looks like, but it feels like it looks good. And then this is the side. So I'm really excited with how it turned out. I will say that this side seems to be significantly more defined than even this side. And I think that's because on this side, I was very heavy-handed with product, and on this side, not so much. So this side had a chance to frizz up a little bit more, whereas this side is a lot more defined. So that's it. That's all, guys. If you like this tutorial, please feel free to give it a big heart or a big thumbs up. And if you've been enjoying Find Natural Hair Rocks, please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already, and also to share this video with a friend.